Let's look at how we can add some automation to approvals. Instead of long back and forth emails, we can build a flow that will allow us to click approve or reject right inside Teams or Outlook. We'll name this flow something like Document Approval Request. For this flow, we're going to also select the When a File is Created trigger. Again, we're going to need to reference our site address and folder ID for the trigger. Once we've completed that, we can add a new action which will be Start and Wait for an approval. For our approval type, you can select the option that is most relevant for your workflow. Since I'm the only one participating in this process, I'm just going to choose Approve Reject First to Respond. For our title, I'm going to want to reference the file that's been uploaded, so I'll add something like Please Review File, and then use the dynamic icon to select the name variable. For Assign To, I'll go ahead and add myself. Our next action in this flow will be called Condition. This is going to allow us to perform an action based on whether we approve or reject the document uploaded. After we add our condition, we're going to want to click into it and update our parameters. For our value here, we'll want to reference the variable that's holding our approval or rejection. This will be the outcome. Then we'll set this to is equal to and approve. Below our true condition, we'll add another action to send an email notification. Similar to our last flow, we'll fill this out with the relevant information we'd like in the email. I'd like this sent to myself, and the subject will be File Approved, with a reference to the file name. I'll add in something to the email body, and we're ready to save and test. When our test goes through, we'll see a notification sent to us here in Teams, requesting us to review the file we added. After clicking Approve, we'll see this final notification update, showing us final approval has been given. We also now receive an email message notifying us that the file has been approved.